Here are 7 ideas for low investment, easy businesses that almost anyone can start. If one of these business ideas appeals to you, the next step is to see if it will work for you by developing a business plan. 1. Tutoring. Knowledge is power. But knowledge can also be money in your pocket if you have the right kind. There is a steady demand for tutoring students of all levels in particular subjects such as math, physics and English, for example. Many English-speaking people want to learn a second or third language, making French, Spanish and German, to name 3 of the most popular, tutoring a good business opportunity. There is also a steady demand for teaching people who aren't native speakers of English how to speak and write English. English is a second language, aka ESL. Influxes of immigrants from Middle Eastern companies means people who can speak and read Arabic will find there's no shortage of work available. Requirements: in-depth knowledge of the particular subject you're going to offer instruction in, teaching ability. Variations on the theme: the demand for translators is also on the rise, especially for people who can translate Arabic and Chinese, Mandarin, languages. 2. Local tour guide. Do you live in a place that others like to visit? Do you enjoy meeting and chatting with new people? Would you be comfortable leading and addressing a group? Then here's one more question for you: have you thought about being a local tour guide? Now obviously, this is only an easy business to start if you live in a place that has something that tourists are going to be interested in. But the scope is wide. You don't need to live in a place chock-a-block with historical landmarks. While walking tours based on history are obvious candidates, don't forget about the natural wonders that we locals tend to take for granted. Guided nature tours, such as tidal pool tours or bird spotting tours, can also be big winners with tourists. Requirements: specialized local knowledge, cheerful, outgoing personality, strong communication skills, good physical mobility. Variations on the theme: gallery or museum host. 3. Painting. Painting, whether exterior or interior, is another of those chores that many people don't want to do, which makes it another of those chores that you can make money doing for them. One of the great things about this inexpensive easy business idea is that it's not seasonal. Interiors can be painted any time of year. Painting is easily scalable. Once you have the clients, you can hire others to do the actual work and either continue to work on some jobs yourself or become strictly a manager of your painting crew. Requirements: physical ability, painting skill and equipment such as brushes, drop sheets, buckets. Variations on the theme: creative. Interior design and or home staging might interest you. 4. Event planning. Are you an extremely organized person who can successfully work to deadlines? Do you handle crises well and have strong interpersonal and communication skills? Then maybe becoming an event planner is a great small business idea for you. Obviously, event planners plan events. But you may not be aware of the scope of possibilities. Corporations, hotels, non-profit organizations, municipalities and government organizations all have a need for event planners to put together everything from conferences through pedestrian-only days. Or you might specialize in a particular kind of event, such as becoming a festival or wedding planner. And you do not need a degree to become an event planner. Requirements: strong organizational, planning and communication skills. Eye for detail and ability to work to deadlines. 5. eBay selling. eBay's popularity continues to explode. Very few people haven't bought or sold something on eBay. But did you know that eBay is also a solid business idea? If you have a product that there's a demand for and that is suitable for being sold online and shipped to the purchaser, eBay selling may be the way to go. It can be a more inexpensive option than setting up your own online store, and eBay makes this such an easy business to start, offering all kinds of information to help you sell successfully, including eBay seminars. Requirements: a worthy product or products. A computer. Knowledge of online selling and shipping. 6. Grass cutting/snow removal services. We mow our own grass here, and remove our own snow. But we're in the minority in our neighborhood. Many people would rather spend the money on having someone else keep their yard looking good. The great thing is that in many places, you can combine lawn care and snow removal and have a viable business all year long. Requirements: equipment, such as power mowers, edgers, etc. You need to be prepared to trim as well as to mow. Trucks equipped with blades for snow clearing. Basic mechanical knowledge to run and repair equipment. 7. Residential cleaning services. Having your house cleaned by someone else is no longer only for the rich, and all you need to start this business is some basic cleaning supplies. With everyone getting busier all the time, more people than ever are willing to pay to get the benefits of a cleaner home and more free time to do things they consider to be more important. Residential cleaning services are normally provided on a once-a-month or once-a-week basis. If you're an organized person who can build a clientele, you could do extremely well if you start a cleaning business. Requirements: knowledge of cleaning products and procedures. The ability to attract and keep reliable staff. Strong scheduling and organizational abilities. Variations on the theme: specialized cleaning services, such as blind cleaning. Each is a business that you can start inexpensively. Some can be started for nothing if you already have the equipment. Every one of these suggestions will let you start a business quickly, in some cases, almost instantly. And all can be operated as home-based businesses. Be warned though, these types of businesses are not suitable for anyone looking for a get-rich-quick plan or a way to become an instant millionaire.